Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you what is Temu Price Cut and how does it work. Temu Price Cut is a promotional minigame built into the Temu app that allow users to unlock massive discounts or even get items for free by inviting others to help reduce the price instead of paying full cost. To get started, you simply open the Temu app, head to the Price Cut section, and select a product you want. Temu then generates a unique sharing link, which you can send to friends or post on social media. Every person who joins through your link helps lower the item's price by a small amount. As more people participate, the price continues to drop, and once the target is reached, the item can be claimed for free or purchased at a heavily discounted rate. Even if the price doesn't reach zero, you still get access to the reduced price you've unlocked. This feature is popular because it offers the chance to get valuable items at very low cost, but it does come with limitations such as needing multiple participants, working within a limited time, and relying heavily on sharing links to succeed. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.